Part 3, go check out part 1 of 4th of July fireworks show. And it will describe everything and explain everything that's happening and what been happening. So I tried to make a part 3 for a while, but I kept running out of storage and space, and I keep pressing the long buttons. So I'm going to make this short and able to fit this in for y'all. So this is 4th of July fireworks show. Please enjoy. And like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And please be honest and tell me how my channel is doing and what I could do to support it and help it out. I want to grow this channel and become popular, and then make it amazing for everyone. So I'm going to shut up now as y'all listen to fireworks. Dang, I wish we were down there. It's a big show. Wow, so special. Woo! Yeah. Whoa, look at it from the end. Oh, that's cool. Alright guys, I'll be back in a sec because there's no fireworks going on. So I'll record when there's more. Be back in a sec. Alright guys, I'm about to do something over here. Woo! Yeah! Alright, that was it, I guess. Oh, and there's some over there. Alright guys, again, I'll be back in a sec. Alright guys, I guess I might as well record this little bit and give y'all some more footage. Oh, it looks like they're about to do one more thing over there. Or are they just emptying it? Oh. Wow, that was amazing. Alright guys, I think they're about to do... I'm in my underwear still. Yeah, I don't care, so get out of here. Here, I'll start recording again when they actually do the stuff. Ha! I don't know if y'all can see this, guys, but you know those things in Japan that just float up on like New Year's Eve, whatever? They're doing it right here. Yep. Just wanted to show that real quick. And they're about to do this, I think. So I'll be back when they do it. Alright, guys. I think I missed it, but it was only a little thing, so sorry about this. Oh, there's something right there. A tiny little thing. Great. Amazing. Alright, I'll be back in a sec. Sweet. I think that was it. They keep doing single things now, so I gotta do all this with the recording footage. So, guys, I think I'm going to end it off here. Thanks for viewing it and coming to watch us. And this has been The Platinum Life. And I hope y'all enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Please, guys. And tell me what I can do to make this channel better. Alright, guys. This has been The Platinum Life, like I just said. And peace out.